Check out the Diego Italian style brew coffee maker, and I think you guys are going to enjoy this. Things first, I got a Brita water pitcher and I filtered the water. Bam, done. All right, so anyway, we've got our grinder here. We're going to use this organic winter blend, Starbucks, and we have our Diego Italian coffee brewing system. So the first thing we've got to do is unscrew it and separate the parts. This is where the coffee will end up. This is the little presser, and this is where we put the coffee. But the first thing we've got to do is we've got to get some water in here. So we're just going to go ahead and fill her up. This holds about 1.5 cups. You don't want to go too high because then the water will infiltrate this area here. So we want to keep that open. So we're going to set that there. And then we've got to grind our coffee. And I've got one of these little grinders. So we're going to go ahead and get the... And what I like to do is put about... Alright, so this is about how much we fill it up with. And then we go ahead and get our top. We're going to put it on top here, just like that. And then all we have to do is just press down on it. And then we just hit it. And drop. So let's take a look. Looks pretty good, nice and ground. Now we got to scoop it out and put it in here. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the coffee. We've got to get it out of here and put it in here. So I'm just going to use the spoon and just fill her right up. And then we're going to compress it a little bit after here. Let's get it in there, okay? And we're going to take this little doohickey here and smush it down. And it looks like we got it pretty good there. I think that's going to be enough for our coffee. We'll save this for another day. All right, so anyway, now you've got it filled up. You got your thing on. And now all you got to do is screw this on. So we're just going to set that down there. Make sure you don't cross thread it. There we go. And then you got to get her pretty good and tight on there. And that baby's ready to be put on the stove. Now when you put it on the stove, this part doesn't get hot. You want to keep it just on the edge of the burner, and we're going to show you how to do that. All right, here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and grab her. Bring her over here. And we're going to set it right down on this back burner here, and then we're just going to turn it on high, and all we have to do is wait for that to percolate, and we'll be ready to go. All right, let's check it out. Here we go. We lift this up, you'll see that it's definitely percolating, and what's cool is the top is not hot, and neither is this, but this thing is red hot. So we're going to let that do its thing, and it should be ready in just a couple seconds. I've got this cup that I've got in Italy, and we're going to use it because this is basically Italian coffee, and we're going to check it out and see how it tastes. I think you guys are going to really enjoy this coffee. Let's take it off the burner. Not hot at all. Let's bring her over here. Let's just pour a little of this delicious coffee into the cup. Well, look at that. Looks fantastic. All right, and we'll set it right here. Turn off the burner, because we don't want to set the house on fire. Let's see if it's still percolating. Nope, it's all done. So that's that. And now all I have to do is taste test this. All right, let's check it out and see how delicious our Cafe Americana is. Good and hot. All right, I highly recommend it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Peace out.